Unit 26. 2.
Large, warm, thirsty, dirty.
3.
Large, warm, thirsty, dirty.
4. 1.
It's a warm horse.
2.
It's a thirsty bird.
3.
She's a thirsty girl.
4.
What a large carpet.
5.
It's a very dirty garden.
6.
It's a large card.
5.
The worst student. It's Thursday afternoon. Charlotte is learning English and she's working hard. She's learning 13 words. But Charlotte doesn't understand the first word. She's the worst student in the world.
Seven. 1.
Her pencils.
2.
Her apples.
3.
Her books.
4.
Her eggs.
5.
Her ice creams.
6.
Her flowers.
7.
Her oranges.
8.
Her umbrellas.